On Wednesday, September 20th, 2023, overall the markets today were negative. The Dow Jones was down almost 77 points, minus 0.22%, to finish the day at 34,440.70. The NASDAQ was down almost 210 points, minus 1.53%, to finish the day at 13,469.13. The S&P 500 was down almost 42 points, minus 0.94%, to finish the day at 4,402.20. Stocks slide as Fed signals it's not done hiking rates. NASDAQ falls 1.5%. Expect an upwards bias in the markets for the next 24 hours. Expect a risk-on environment the next 24 hours where the Canadian dollar will have a strong bias to the upside and the United States dollar will have a strong downward bias. The strongest currency pair through Thursday with a strong upward bias will be the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, followed in a close second place with an upward bias the Australian dollar, Swiss franc, and in third place with a strong downward bias is the Euro dollar, New Zealand dollar. Remember, this information is not trade advice but to be used for educational purposes only. Good trading. As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.